Let's go over the trades on the day. Tough time sleeping last night as I continue to think about the those suffering in the Ukraine, and just a lot of weighs heavy on my heart. What's going on in Ukraine? We still do what we do, and so to the trading part of this, up on the day, 11,150 in the 200K portfolio, 6 micros. 1 micro is up 1850. Up on the week, this amount. Equity peaks every day except FOMC day, so Monday was a down day, and that was a brand new equity peak. Tuesday was an equity peak. Wednesday, this big pullback affected us, and we were around break even on Tuesday or Wednesday, and then Thursday was an equity peak. Friday was an equity peak, and so straight line trading. Let's look at those. Look at the results once again. So just trading 1 micro on the stock index portfolio, 6 micros on the stock index portfolio too. So big week, lots of trends in the market. It's been choppy, and now the season of trend is here, and it's paying off to stay with it. We're trading strategies that have worked well in 2020, 2021, and have also worked well in January and February. These are the trades on the day in the Nasdaq. Gap continuation, huge day. On the 2019 and 2020 version, tick reversal. Three trades. This last one was around break even, but 2 big winners, capturing those pullbacks into the trend on mean reversion type trades. 60-minute breakout is still long. We will exit that before the close. Do not want to hold over the weekend right now, even if it means missing a big gap up. Tick pulse. Turned off some of these strategies to make sure, but up on the day, and Cobra NQ 2022 stopped out down here, and so you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strategies right here taking the long side, doing well on the long side on the Nasdaq, and Night Trader was profitable last night, hitting that trade. Adaptive moving average taking the long trade all day long, and profitable on the day. So 2 profitable trades on the E-mini S&P micro, and 5 for 6 on the micro Nasdaq. And so up on the day, it's Friday, and let's go over the market internals. The VIX closed below 25. Advanced decline line took its time, creeped all the way up to 1,000 by the close. Nasdaq futures up 2% on the day. S&P futures up 1.2% on the day. And it's just back to that old what we've been saying, when the market goes down, it's so choppy, it's almost impossible to trade. And when it goes up, it just has the trendiest, longest straight line trends that we've ever seen. So big difference between up and down markets. Up markets are more trendier than normal, and down markets are choppier than normal. We have strategies that trade both the long and the short side, and we did make an equity peak on Monday taking the short trade. But during this whole downtrend that we've seen since Q4 2021, it's been so choppy that it's been difficult to. We haven't seen much capitulation. Lots of overlap on days like today, where you get the market just running and closing up near the highs. You get lots of days where it closes near the highs, and if you were to try to short it, you wouldn't have. And even if you kept doubling down, you would not have a chance. You would get squeezed and lose a lot. That never seems to happen on the downside. It hardly happens on the downside. It seems like when the market goes down, you could double down and then get out with a profit, because it never gets pressed down to the lows. And so it always bounces back when it goes down on an end-of-day basis. You never see those end-of-day, rarely see an end-of-day down market close. We did that. We did on Monday, and then the market has rallied. One of the things you consider too is wartime money flows. Money will flow to the world's reserve currency, the currency with the strongest military, and so we may be seeing some of that. But those are the trades on the day for Friday, March the 18th, 2022. 4 out of the last 5 days were equity peaks in the stock index 25.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.